Another day, another story. Hey, guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an exciting workout session in store for you. We'll be focusing on an intense chest workout routine that you can do right in the comfort of your own home. Building a strong and defined chest is a goal for many men, and this workout will help you achieve just that. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Warm up. Before we dive into the workout, it's crucial to warm up your muscles to prevent any injuries. Spending 5 to 10 minutes performing some light cardio exercises like jumping jacks, jogging in place, or skipping rope will increase your heart rate and warm up your upper body muscles. This will prepare your body for the challenging workout ahead. Workout routine. 1. Push-ups. 3 sets x 10 to 12 reps. Let's start with a classic exercise that targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps, push-ups. Begin in a high plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest is just above the floor, then push yourself back up. Remember to keep your core engaged and maintain a straight line from head to toe throughout the movement. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, resting for about 30 to 60 seconds between sets. 2. Decline push-ups, 3 sets x 10 to 12 reps. To specifically target the upper chest, we'll incorporate decline push-ups. Place your feet on an elevated surface such as a chair or a sturdy step. Assume a push-up position with your hands shoulder-width apart on the floor. Lower your body, allowing your chest to come closer to the floor, and then push back up. This variation places more emphasis on the upper chest muscles. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, resting for about 30 to 60 seconds between sets. 3. Dips. 3 sets x 10 to 12 reps. For this exercise, you'll need 2 sturdy chairs or parallel bars. Place your hands on the chair or bars with your arms fully extended. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your upper arms are parallel to the floor, then push yourself back up. Dips target your chest, triceps, and shoulders, providing a great overall upper body workout. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, resting for about 30 to 60 seconds between sets. 4. Chest squeeze push-ups, 3 sets x 10 to 12 reps. Let's target the inner chest muscles with chest squeeze push-ups. Assume a regular push-up position but bring your hands closer together, so your thumbs and index fingers touch, forming a diamond shape. Lower your body while keeping your elbows tucked close to your sides, and then push back up. This exercise will engage and strengthen the inner chest muscles. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, resting for about 30 to 60 seconds between sets. 5.